Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about making the mistakes during English conversation because if you are non-native English language speaker, you often make mistakes while speaking the English language. So whether making mistakes is good or bad, I will talk about this head in this video. So please stay with me. Watch this video till end so that you never miss any point which is discussed in this video. Actually, when you will not make the mistakes, then you will not correct yourself. In the beginning, making mistakes is good, because when you will make mistakes, then you yourself try to correct yourself. Otherwise, the other people, those are good in English language better than you, they will correct you that you should speak this sentence in this way. When you speak in this way, the meaning of this sentence is changing. So if you speak in this style, this will be the correct pronunciation and correct English speaking. So I think that if you are a beginner and you are improving yourself, then right now with the help of social media you can check your mistakes, whether you are making mistakes or not, or you can record a video. If you are alone, no friend is around you, you can record a video of 4 or 5 minutes, and after recording that video you can check that video, because during recording you can't understand that whether you are making mistakes or not. But when you watch that video in leisure, then you would note your mistakes which you have made during your conversation, and then you will try to correct those mistakes in your next video. In this way, if you yourself are not able to check your mistakes, then you can show that video to your friends or family member or any person who is better in English language, and then that person will guide you that these are the mistakes in your video, and try to correct them. And wherever you find any kind of difficulty, I think that you can ask some question to that person who is better than you in English speaking. In this way, I think that don't feel shy while asking the question. When you will not ask questions, then others will not correct you. In this way, your English will remain the wrong for the whole time. And if you are saying others, those are good in English language, that guide me, give me some suggestions to improve myself in English speaking, then they will guide you. Otherwise, others will not tell you that you are speaking in this way or this way. You will have to ask them and ask questions from them and get reply from them. Ask question to them, get reply from them. In this way, you will improve your English language, and do your practice on daily basis. Don't miss any day. When you will do the consistent work, then I think that gradually, slowly you will improve yourself in English speaking better, more better, then more better, and finally you will be able to speak fluent English language. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.